We're starting our room tour here at Caribbean Beach outside because we have a pretty cool view right outside of our door.
So down that way, eventually you can't really see it, but Riviera is right there, far left. And then we got a good view of the water, Sebastian's.
This is the main lobby area right here, Old Port Royale. This is like Martinique section of Caribbean Beach. Over here we've got like Jamaica. Yeah,
Jamaica's the yellow building.
And Caribbean Beach is huge, so it goes all the way down. But we are in the Aruba building, and we just figured we'd start out here because this is a pretty cool view.
Yeah, real nice.
Welcome to Caribbean Beach. We are in a standard room here in the Aruba building. So, welcome to the Caribbean Islands. Alright, let's do this. So, we're in a standard room, like I said. We have 2 queen beds. Caribbean Beach is a moderate resort. Actually, feel this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice room.
I have a room tour here. We stayed in a pirate room here. We have stayed in a standard room, but this is my first room tour vlog. So the beds are actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Over here we have some hooks, so you can hang backpacks, hats,
coats, whatever.
Coats. Yeah, it's cold.
Today it's cold. Yeah.
Chairs and table. And you'll notice this kind of looks like a little pineapple.
Yeah, it's cool.
So the Caribbean theme.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got a mirror with kind of a cool light. And then this is the dresser area.
Yep. Nice mini fridge.
Yeah, it really is.
That's helpful for when you have leftovers.
And water bottles.
Yep.
Or anything. The drawers are deep, but they're not huge. So there's 3 on each side. We never tend to use the drawers too much, depending on how long we're staying, but I think they would work well if you did want to use them. Nice big TV.
Yeah, it is a nice TV.
So here at the moderate Caribbean Beach, they have this kind of a coffee pot, not the Keurig. But they do have the 50th Joffrey's coffee. So you would be able to put that in there and then at least brew a cup of coffee in the morning before, you go down to the Old Port Royale or something. Ice bucket, and they also have tea. They have all of your plugins and then the USB ports, which is nice for when you have to charge extra things or lots of phones. Bench.
For luggage, it looks like?
Yeah, so you could put luggage on top, or you could put stuff underneath as well.
Yeah, you cannot put them under the bed. So that's one thing with these beds.
They do not have the storage under, no. Again, kind of the Caribbean theme. Not really that moved by that piece of art, but, again, USB and plugins. And then another little drawer, nightstand. Over here, and also they have carpet in here, which is fine. You will see a lot of the resorts going to more of the
vinyl flooring.
Vinyl, that's the word I was looking for. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Privacy bathroom.
That's nice.
And it's kind of like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
So this is nice. You can close off to the bathroom if people need to get ready and all that. Extra pillow and blanket. Nice hangers. Ironing stuff. Safe. Got some more space here.
Yeah, you could put some luggage down there for sure.
No luggage rack though. I think that's what that bench is for.
Right.
But you could definitely put some more stuff here. Or a stroller. I don't know.
Yeah, there's clearly a lot of space or something.
Double sink. Nice big mirror. H2O lotion. and then makeup mirror, and it does light up. So I like these. I like having that.
It's nice.
And then hair dryer, extra towels, and all of that. Kind of a tight shower room.
Yeah, and bathroom.
So this is very basic in
Yeah.
here. You got your toilet.
Yep,
You've
and then
got
basic
your
shower.
fancy Caribbean themed shower curtain.
Yep, and then pretty
And
basic
super basic, like
tub, shower.
not a fancy shower head.
Oh.
And then you've got the H2O pumps. I think that's kind of standard these days, probably to save a little money on Disney's part, and also not produce as much like plastic containers, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't mind the pumps, but I do like to have the little ones you take home.
Yeah, taking them home.
Full length mirror. So,
Nice.
if you need that. And again,
Yeah, this is the coolest part about the room. It's really nice.
You know, here at the moderate resorts, you don't have like a balcony or a patio. But to be able to just kind of look out still is cool.
Pretty
or
cool.
just walk out and that's what you see. The grounds here at Caribbean Beach are really, really beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
It's a huge resort, but it is a beautiful resort. Skyliner access.
Mhm.
And we'll go down to Old Port Royale and look
We'll
at like
walk
the
around.
lobby and kind of check out a little bit more and put it in this vlog. But the lobby is somewhat renovated, like recently renovated. It's very nice. The Banana Cabana pool bar, Sebastian's Bistro, which we have been to, and it's a very good table service restaurant. Easy access to the Riviera Resort right next door. I think tomorrow morning we're gonna go grab breakfast over there because we can easily walk. And then yeah, you can walk to the Skyliner station there at the Riviera, or there's a Skyliner station here at Caribbean Beach, depending on what building you're at in the resort. You can have access to either Skyliner station.
Cool.
So, all right, we will go check out the rest of the resort here soon. Okay, so this is the next day. We were in room 5150. Good morning.
Good morning.
We said that we were going to show a little bit more of the resort in this vlog. Well, this morning we are going to walk over to the Riviera Resort, grab some breakfast, and then we're going to walk over to Old Port Royale, the lobby at Caribbean Beach, and kind of check out the lobby, the store, and what they have over there. So
Let's do it.
let's do it. Still loving this view. It's not a balcony. It's just right outside our room. Still loving the view, and like we mentioned, Caribbean Beach has access to the Skyliner, which is very convenient to Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and then the other resorts, which are Riviera, Pop Century, and Art of Animation. And here is the Aruba buildings. And here's the Riviera Skyliner station. So actually, Aruba is closer to this Skyliner station than the actual Caribbean Beach Skyliner station. So you really could choose which one you wanted to get off on, which was nice.
It is.
We are now at the Riviera. You can see our room over there, Caribbean Beach. And we have some room tours of the Riviera as well. I can link that in this video if you want to see what some of the rooms at the Riviera look like, because we have stayed here several times. This is our DVC home resort, so we love this resort too. It's beautiful.
It's really pretty.
That's why we're walking over here to get breakfast, because we love the breakfast here.
Breakfast is great.
Did you enjoy breakfast?
Yeah, I did. It's I think that's one of the better quick service breakfasts on property.
Agreed.
Really good.
So here's the Riviera. We're just on this walking path. And there's Caribbean Beach, the other side. Right over there is the lobby. So we're gonna follow this path around to the other side and go back to our resort. Caribbean Beach the grounds are really nice. It definitely feels like the Caribbean islands.
It does. It's really cool.
captures the theming very well.
Yeah, very colorful.
Yeah, very vibrant, colorful.
It'd be a fun place to do a pool day.
Yeah, I agree. So we'll go into the lobby. I really like the lobby. I think it's pretty and, again, somewhat recently renovated a few years back. I feel like it captures the theming. Nice and spacious. They have the check-in desks over there. Lots of seating. And then over there is the quick service dining and food, grab and go. And then back there is also the store, the Calypso Trading Post. We can go take a look in there. We've got all the Caribbean Beach merch. A nice little zip jacket thing. Polo.
Super cool. Ornaments.
It's cute. Oh wow, Caribbean Beach ears? The Banana Cabana, that's the pool bar. That's cool. It's cute. They have the prints. And an ornament. So they actually have a pretty good store here.
They do.
They've got merchandise, and then they of course have, you know, some food, drinks, snacks. If anybody needs some of that during their stay, they can grab it here as well. This is the Centertown Market. They do have a grab and go area as well in there. And then this is like the quick service area for Centertown Market. They have different options, and yeah, it's nice. And then when we come out of the lobby area, we've got a pool, the main pool. There's several pools here.
The little play zone for the kids is a big like pirate ship, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Yeah, really cool actually.
And everything is pirate themed,
Yeah.
like
Well,
the
yeah.
cannons and...
Yeah. Neat.
And actually, there is a part of Caribbean Beach that is pirate themed rooms. Not sure if I mentioned that earlier in this vlog, but we have stayed in the pirate room as well. And I'll link a room tour of the pirate rooms too, if anyone's interested in seeing what a pirate room is like. But here is Banana Cabana. So this is the pool bar. So fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
Like, I love this. Really fun pool bar.
Obviously more popular during a warmer time, but
Yeah.
and then there's Sebastian's.
And then there's Sebastian's, the restaurant. So that is our building right there. And this bridge is closed. They're hard at work, looking good. But we can't take that bridge, which is fine. We're just gonna have to take a longer route. Corey's enjoying the walk, so it works. But that would have been extremely convenient for us to just take that bridge right directly to our building. But they've got to work on things, they've got to improve them, so we'll just take a different route. We could technically take the internal bus around back to our building, but might as well just walk because it's pretty and show a little bit more of the grounds as well. So across the water over there, those yellow buildings, that's Jamaica section. And then over here, these kind of peach buildings are Barbados. And if you keep going back even further, you will also run into the Trinidad buildings, which is where the pirate rooms are located. Here's a map just to kind of show. That's Old Port Royal. We are in Aruba. Riviera, Martinique, Barbados, Trinidad, Jamaica. So, and there's the Skyliner on this side, and then there's the Skyliner over by Riviera. So Trinidad, it's not too far from the Skyliner. You have to go over that bridge, but Trinidad is going to definitely be the farthest from like the lobby and all the stuff. So we are on the bridge. Over there are like Trinidad buildings. So the Trinidad buildings, if you come up here on that side, you are close to that Skyliner station, which isn't too bad. So it is a very large property, but Corey was just mentioning like it kind of is a little deceiving.
Yep.
Because
it's really not as far as a walk as it looks like at times.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to walk around the property.
And just like that, we're on the other side of the water. We can see the Aruba building. We're almost to our resort. I mean, we're almost to our building. We should have clocked it to see.
It really didn't
take
a
long
while.
at all.
Yeah, it was fine.
Well, thanks for watching our Caribbean beach room tour and some of the resort. Be sure to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for next video.
Bye.
Bye.